This short video is going to show you the #1 prepping tool. It really is, by the way. It's so inexpensive, it's simply just the lighter. Do not shut off the video. I know you probably have one. You know how to light it. It's easy. Oh, there's far more to it than simply just lighting it. And it literally could save your life. Let me show you some tips and tricks and hacks we can do with a lighter that make it the perfect prepping tool. First, around every one of my lighters, I put about 2 or 3 feet of duct tape on it. That way I can pull it off whenever I want to, patch things with it, use it as a repair kit, but it also makes an amazing fire starter. Works very well. But I'm going to show you more about fire starters in a second. I also put a rubber band underneath the gas release lever, but some people like to use waxed hemp string or regular string to act as a fire starter as well. I like the rubber band. Now let's pry off this little metal shield. Easy enough to do with your fingers, or you can use a pair of pliers if you like. We'll put it off to the side for a second. And you can see the flame adjust right here. Obviously makes it so it goes from a small to a large flame. If you turn it all the way up, pull up on the lever, pull the lever to the down position, then put it back on the gear, then turn it up again. You do that a few times, and you can greatly increase the size of the flame. Now, use this under your own caution. I've never had a lighter explode or melt because of this, but I suppose it's possible. But I've been doing this for decades without any problems at all. Now you can see I can use the huge flame on this piece of duct tape to make it light very quickly. But even then, you can see the duct tape only burns so much. So if we can find some more fire starter, it'd be even better. And the lighter itself is a fire starter. If we take the little metal piece, we can scrape it on the lighter. If we bend it out, it's even better. And you can see the little plastic shavings coming off of it. Now, if you could sharpen this little metal piece, it'd be even better. You can do that like on a rock, for example. But if you have a knife, you know what? Why even bother with this? As I scrape with the knife, you can see lots of plastic coming off, but be careful because if this still has some butane in it, it's pressurized, you do not want to puncture a hole in it. This is best if your lighter's empty. Now, underneath this wheel, it actually has a ferrocerium rod. So people always talk about getting a ferro rod. There's one built into the lighter. And let's pretend this lighter's out of gas. If I do this constantly, it'll scrape off a whole bunch of the ferrocerium dust. Try not to get a spark like I did. And you can get a fire started right there. I didn't do a whole lot, but you can easily get it done. That's even if the lighter doesn't have any gas. There we go. And of course it helps if there is gas. If you want to, you can use that metal piece to shave off your shirt and socks too and get some little lint pieces on there also. So there you go, the lighter. Actually, lots of lighters. I buy them by the multi-packs at Walmart. $2.37 for 7 of them. I buy tons, and you should too. What did I miss? What other cool things can you do, hacks with a lighter? Put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Give me a thumbs up if you don't mind, and I'll see you next time.